Strawberry cheesecake muffins. You like strawberry?
I love strawberries.
Do you love cheesecake?
I love cheesecake.
You like muffins? Who doesn't like muffins? A good muffin. Anyway, these are delicious. They're very easy to do.
Yes, very easy to do.
Trust the process.
Believe in yourself. Now let's sweeten things up. All right, we're going to get a large mixing bowl out. We're going to go ahead and whisk together our flour, our baking powder, our baking soda, our salt, and our sugar. Just whisk these together till they're combined. That was easy. Now I'm just going to hand that off to you. We're going to set that aside. We're going to go ahead and grab a small bowl now, and we're going to add our wet ingredients, which is our milk, our vanilla, melted butter, and 2 eggs.
Just an FYI, when you see eggs in a recipe, if you don't know this already, they usually refer to large eggs.
Yes.
So if you have small eggs or jumbo eggs, that could change the recipe, just if you didn't know that.
Then I'm just going to beat this for a few seconds just to get the eggs and everything incorporated. All right, we're going to go ahead and gently mix in our wet into our dry ingredients.
Well, that was quick. That took about 20 seconds. Not bad.
Yeah, you just want to gently get them incorporated together. And lastly, we're going to fold in our diced fresh strawberries. Okay, we've got this folded in. Grab your muffin tin. Today we're using our large muffin tin. You can use any muffin tin that you want, but we're just going to go ahead and spray this real quick. What we're going to do is go ahead and put a little bit in the bottom, only like half of the mixture into the bottom. Okay, for the center, we're just going to go ahead and add this pre-made Philly cheesecake no-bake filling. Get you about a tablespoon. Well, we're using the large. Just get enough to be your center filling that you want. And then we're just going to top it off with some more muffin.
Make sure you kind of center it. Try to center it as much as possible.
Yeah,
so it goes around the...
It's a very thick batter, but we're just going to go ahead and keep
Finish
filling
these
these up. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put this in a preheated 375-degree oven for 18 to 22 minutes. Let them cool before you taste.
All right, so they just came out of the oven. Just make sure there's no crumb or there's no doughiness.
The jiggle, yeah, just kind of do a touch.
Would you look at it? Those were easy to do. Obviously, you've seen it. You just mix everything together. It's like a muffin. There's not much change. A little cut strawberries, but... anyway, your turn. Why don't you unwrap one? Okay, for the topping, all I did was I took that leftover cheesecake mix, whatever it was, and I just added some cream to it till it was thin enough to, let me see. It was thin enough to put in a little squirt bottle and just squirted it on there. Made it look nice.
And again, these are muffins, not cupcakes, so they're not going to be overly sweet.
Oh, those are really good.
It'd be good for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They're very good.
The strawberry it's there, but it's delicate.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, it's not like overburdened with strawberry. It's like what a muffin should be. I mean, unless it's a blueberry muffin, then it should just be loaded. But anyway, trust the process. Believe in yourself, and we'll see you next time.
Have a great day.
You have a great day. We're having a great day.